What is going on, guys? I hope you're all doing well. About 3 weeks ago, I made a video talking about a user-friendly app called Stash. Today I'm going to be comparing my portfolio, what it looked like 3 weeks ago versus today. If you're looking for like some sort of validation on whether or not to use Stash, and that's why you're watching this video, don't look any further, don't do any more research. Stick around till the end of this video, trust me. So the gains I'll be showing you are on an incredibly small scale. Hopefully it will help you better understand how this works with maybe thousands, tens of thousands, and potentially millions of dollars. The idea of starting this process will change your life forever. The biggest struggle when it comes to this is actually starting. So if you can get over that roadblock, then you'll be set. You'll be set because it'll change the way you see money, and you'll just wonder and ask yourself why you didn't start this years ago. To make one thing clear before I get started, the money sitting in your bank account is actually depreciating in value. And that basically means that you're taking a fat L. The reason being is that the interest rate on that account is not outpacing inflation. Don't take my word for it. Check out this article. We have this article by CNBC talking about good financial habits won't make you rich, but this is what will. And they're talking about investing. Here, literally, it says right here, it was a revelation that money in the bank or in a low interest savings account could mean actually losing money because it would not keep pace with inflation. Don't listen to me like I'm just some random guy rambling on the internet, but there's an actual article talking about this, and I'll link it down below so you guys can read it for yourselves. Now I know I've already said this, but I'll say it again. At one point in your life, you will realize that you should be investing your money. And this is anyone that's financially aware, they'll realize this. It would rather benefit you to start now opposed to starting 40 years from now. You've lost a lot of potential time that you could be using to benefit and compound and grow that wealth. So if you haven't considered investing, ask yourself, is that $5 Starbucks really worth it? Are all those material things that depreciate in value that you spend your money on really worth it? Because honestly, guys, in the long run, it's really not. Nobody cares about the things that you have. Stash is an excellent learning tool for anyone that has zero knowledge about the market. And that's another thing, you don't need a lot of knowledge about the market to understand investing. You just have to start it, and that's like the only step you have to take is starting this process. With this app, you can build your confidence while obtaining knowledge, and it will help literally anyone from the age of 15 that can understand this concept, up until your 40s if you haven't started that process yet. Let's go into my Stash Invest account and I'll show you the difference. 3 weeks made. I know this is on a very small scale, but think about this with potentially tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars. It could be you. So let's just go into it. Here we can see that I'm up to $29.58 on my total returns. Let's go back to when I made my first video talking about Stash. I was at $13.68 in total returns. That's about a $15 difference there, guys. Not anything to brag about, but that's not the point. It gives you an idea that your money's working for you. Like, I didn't do anything for my money to increase, I just had it invested. And that would have never happened if I kept it in a savings account or decided, to blow it on something. My total invested amount of $784 is now worth $813 compared to being worth $768. I did add, $10 a week. So if you just watch this whole video, you should click the link down that I linked to this app down below, because you'll get paid $5 just for signing up. That's literally $5 you get just for watching this video and deciding to change your life forever. I hope this video made sense for all of you. It's nothing to boast about, like, Robbie made $15, like, whoa, who cares? But that's not the point. The point is to help you guys understand that, that $15 could have been $15,000 had I been, investing on a larger scale. And you're only going to get to that point by starting this process. It'll give you the understanding you need, the knowledge you need to understand how the market works and how the price fluctuation affects your account. And the reason I said this will change your life forever is because once you start, it'll change the way you see money. It'll change your mindset about investing. I know that the reason people don't invest is because they're not knowledgeable about it. They don't know enough about it to start. Which that's not the case. You don't need to know much. You don't need to be some kind of genius to start this. I hope you guys saw value in this video. Please leave a like, leave a comment, anything to get engagements on this video. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. I will be making more videos like this, and I will see you guys next time.